China, with having 1.39 billion people, has the largest population in the world, and in percentage it has the 17 of all world population inside. The Chinese economy experienced astonishing growth in the last few decades that catapulted the country to become the world's second largest economy. In 1978, when China started the program of economic reform, the country ranked 9th in nominal GDP with $214 billion. 35 years later, it jumped up to the second place with a nominal GDP of $9.2 trillion. And for current year, it's planned to be the real GDP growth of 6.1% and a nominal GDP of $15.6 trillion. Chinese language is the most spoken language in the world, with having 1.2 billion of only native speakers. Today, Chinese has an official language in 5 countries, regions, or territories. In China, it's the sole official language as Mandarin. All these reasons and factors aroused a lot of people's interest for learning Chinese language, and we are the witness that there are lots of celebrities in the world has already started learning Chinese.
谢谢，刚对不起，因为我会试着用中文，但是大多数时候我的中文只马马虎虎，我会说慢，我会说容易，所以谢谢，因为现在。
爷爷你好，彭奶奶你好，大家好，让我唱一个首歌吧。我们的田野，美丽的田野，碧绿的河水，流过无边的稻田。
我觉得是不是我想要学习中国文化，中国是伟大的国家我觉得学习语言帮助我学习文化，所以我学习语言。
China was always strange for Western countries, and the reason was the language that not too much people could understand. And because of its written system, not too much people were willing to learn Chinese language. But now, there are thousands of foreigners from different parts of the world come to China every year for learning Chinese language and Chinese culture. With language, you are at home everywhere. Hello to Asia, hello to America, hello to Europe, hello to Africa, hello to all the people around the world. This is Shahir Sharifi from Planthope Organization. This time with a new work. As you saw the video, Chinese language is the most spoken language in the world. And there are lots of people in the world already started learning Chinese. So it means that the Chinese language is more important than before. According to reports of Ministry of Higher Education of China, on 2018, there were more than 492,000 students of 196 foreign countries of the world came to China for their abroad studying, with 12.8 of them got the scholarships from the Chinese government, Confucius Institute, provincial scholarships, and some other scholarships, which some of them have their major taught by English and some of them by Chinese. But at least all of them will get the ability of communication in Chinese. According to this speed, Chinese language is not so far to replace English language. That's why there are massive quantity of people around the world already started learning Chinese. Planthope Organization has brought together the qualified working team for spreading Chinese language professionally through online to build a bridge for those who want to learn Chinese. For this reason, we have studied the problems of new Chinese learners for a couple of years, and during these years, we made a quite useful plans and materials of learning Chinese for different levels of students, which we will proceed gradually. For starting officially, the first step we needed was selecting an awesome name for our center. We had some names in our mind, but as long as we are doing it for the other people, the other foreigners around the world, few people's opinion could not represent everyone's. So what we did was we surveyed about 700 people from all around the world, different nations, different genders, and different types of people, different jobs, different businesses.
Oh yes, you say right.
But much more. Kommt der Mokas geht, now you take down houses. I'm much honored to have a professional and hardworking team working with me. And in this video, I'd like to thank Taiwan University of Technology and all the teachers who helped me a lot with this program. And next, I'd like to thank my team members. Here are three of them, three active members who did very well both in making teaching plans and survey. And here are the brief of their advices about Chinese language and how to learn well and soon.
语言是连接世界和传播文化的不可缺少的因素。人们为了生存，不可以没有语言。中文是世界上人口最多的一门语言，占了全世界17%左右。也可以说，在每5个人里边，1个人会说中文。中国人有常用的一句话。说学好普通话，走遍天下都不怕，确实是这样的。现在世界上很多人都开始了学习中文和学习中国文化，可是，在学习的过程中，中文的难度让很多人放弃学习。之所以我们给大家建立了这个平台，希望大家关注我们的课程。跟着提高自己的中文水平，谢谢。
زبان وسیله شناخت کشورهاست. به هر اندازه که زبان بیشتر بفهمیم به همان اندازه جهان بینی ما گسترش پیدا میکند. زبان چینی با داشتن 1,400,000,000 گوینده پرنفوذترین زبان دنیا را تشکیل میدهد. از هر 5 نفر در دنیا 1 نفر آن به زبان چینی تکلم میکند. از آنجایی که این زبان دارای آهنگ و کرکتر می باشد، سختی‌های خود را هم دارد. همین سختی‌ها سبب میشود تا کسانی که میخواهند این زبان را یاد بگیرند از آموزش این زبان دست میکشند. ما با تجربه کافی که در این عرصه داریم میخواهیم آسانترین و ساده‌ترین طریقه‌های ممکن را برای آموختن این زبان برای شما فراهم کنید. تشکر.
Learning a foreign language was always something difficult and boring in everyone's life, and also the most important. Chinese language is said to be the most difficult language in the world. But if you have the efficient methods of learning, it isn't that much difficult. Our channel is going to provide you the best ways for learning Chinese professionally and for free. Please follow us and let us service you better. Thank you.
Okay, this was only a name announcement video. In the next video, we'll be talking about the curriculum and the plans, God willing. We'll provide our classes through YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow us in Facebook and Instagram pages. We're looking forward for your suggestions, feedbacks, and thank you very much. See you next video. Bye.